my destiny. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? I'm +1 today. I'm +1. I'm +1. I'm +1 today. Many more years to you. Hooray! Gifts from Destiny's mommy. Lovely shoe. Sammy, what are you doing? Okay. Hello, okay. You like it? Yes. Wow. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. I'm speechless. It's
She's excited and surprised. She didn't know I was picking out these clothes for her when I asked her to make a choice for me. I was asking her to help me make a choice so that I can buy myself some clothes, and she picked out these ones and she loved it.